It is time to save your coin, do your salon de la home, invite your girls over. I'm going to teach you how to do the best gel nails. I swear by these nails. They're always looking chic, mommy. The Pinterest girlies, no. Okay, so buckle in. Ew, that was actually gross. Okay, but actually buckle in. This is from a professional. As in 6th grade, I really thought I was going to be a nail artiste at least once a day, minimum once a week. I was doing a new nail. Honey, I'm doing a video. We can't watch the TV right now. Literally thought that was my career, thought it was my calling, and now I am here to tell you how to do the nails. Because if you thought I wasn't going to be the one to learn how to do it exactly just right, you were absolutely wrong, because I spent all this time learning how, and so it better be for someone, okay? But anyway, go to Sally's, get the Gelish base and top coat. So this is a brand new base coat. It's called Foundation by Gelish. And this is the one. Okay, those are going to take your manicure to the next level. I also do this on my toes. So this is a life hack if you're trying to be like always put together, always looking good. I don't do the chip nail polish thing. I don't do half on, half off. I am like I really care. Sometimes, you got to do, if it's a survival situation, like we're about to survive in the wilderness, you know what I'm saying? But that's not my desire. You know what I'm saying? So I do my toes as well with this. And here's why. When you're beaching, I tell you what, there is nothing that like disturbs my nail polish more than a beach day. Like something about the water, the sand, like nail polish, and that just does not vibe. It does not vibe at all. I do use the gel nail polish, and it will last as long as I want it to. If I never took it off, it will last all the way off, and my toes are just always looking so cute. So definitely try it out, perfect this, and take the time. It's a little bit different than regular nail polish, but take the time to learn the technique. Like, girl, this is life-changing. Stop going to these crusty, dusty salons that are overcharging you. You don't even know how to tip them right. You can't sit next to your friend. It's awkward. Start inviting the girlies over and doing a little salon night at home. And queen, you're going to be looking fresh all the time. You could be on a little trip. My mom and I use the same products. So we do this together, and it's super fun. It's just good vibes. Like, bring the girls together. Teach them your new techniques. Let's talk non-negotiables for your gel nails being done. For me, I do gel because it is the longest wearing. As you can tell, I have naturally long nails. So for me, if I do a fake nail, it looks very, very fake because my real nails do grow underneath. Same thing with like an acrylic. You can see my real nail from the other side. I just find that the gel is the most wearable long term, but also it's what I can get to stay the longest. You will never get a regular nail polish to last as long as a gel. Like I said it, I'm going to say it again. I have been perfecting this method for years, so I will teach you every single tip and trick that I have. Now, I will forewarn you, if you just skip through and you're not using the tips and tricks, you are not going to get the same results. I have the type of like real nails, like they maintain this strength, length, everything because of how I do them. And I have the type of real nails that people are literally like thinking are fake. They're like, I love your nails. Oh my gosh, you did those yourself. Like, this is probably my most complimented thing. And I am about to expose my secrets to you. Number one, let's talk products. I use the Gelish base and top coat. It is a non-negotiable in the routine. You have to do nail prep with a gel, and you also need to follow the steps. It's not like a regular polish where you can opt out of the base coat or opt out of the top coat. If it says this is the order it needs to be in, until you have topped it off with the top coat and cured that, you will not have a finished nail. So I originally, when I invested, got my nail dehydrator, base coat and top coat, all from Sally's. It's like a little starter kit. There is other kits out there that are really good. I'm not denying. I'm just going to tell you about the one that I use most often, and why I use this one most often is because it's accessible. You can find it at any Sally's, and most people have a Sally's nearby. If you were a Sally's girl growing up, you already know the vibes. Like, there's a Sally's in most big towns. We used to live in this little town, and I would literally beg my mom to drive me to Sally's so that I could be like a salon goddess guru who invited him. So come to my salon. Come on now. When you apply the base coat, you do not need the thickest layer ever, but you do need to have an even layer. One thing that I watch people do often is flood the nail, where they put too much product too close to the base of the nail, and it winds up creating like a little river in like the edge of the nail. And with a gel nail, this won't work because when it grows out, it will lift, and gel nails kind of peel off like one swoop whole nail. So once you have a little bit of bubbling or gapping or anything like that, it's out the window. It's gone. You done did the nail dirty, okay? The other thing with gel nails, I feel like I've perfected this routine, this technique. This is the shortest amount of time I can do it in, and it's probably 45 minutes or an hour. And I do one set of 4 nails, my 2 thumbs, and then the other set of 4 nails. If you want to get specific, I have some do's and don'ts, okay? If you're doing gel nails, do not wear a fuzzy sweater. In fact, if it's your first 5 times, don't even wear sleeves at all. Like, you put a tank top on, call it a day. The second you get to ruffling those sleeves or any sort of like soft fabrics flying through the air, you are in cause of destroying that gel nail, getting like a fuzzy in there, something like that. Number 2 is wear your hair up. Gel the entire time that you're working with it is sticky. Very, very sticky. It's like a magnet. You didn't know there was lint, you're going to find lint. You didn't know there was dark hair, you're going to find it. So just do yourself the favor, okay? If you want this to be a professional service, you need to do it professionally. When it comes to the color, I get mixed because I love a lot of colors. I want a different color all the time. I will say the brand of the color to me is less specific. Now, if this is your first time trying gel, I've had a great experience with this Mimeta. The gelish polishes are usually pretty good. There is such a thing as expired or bad gel, where the gel moves on the nail. It creates little ripples, you cure it, it creates bubbles, like it's a bad formula. Now, there is worse formulas that do not last as long. So if you're not getting a reputable brand, it will not last that long. Now, if you're planning on ordering on Amazon, you can check the reviews ahead of time if there's a color you like, because everybody, this is how I got involved with all these different brands, is I was like, I need that color, I need that color, I need that color. Like, if you're one of the girlies, you go on Pinterest, you get your vibe ready, and then you need the color. You need the color to be right all the time. So I'm always looking for good nail art. I'm looking on Pinterest, and honestly, some girls just slay their Pinterest boards. Like, I don't know if they're spending more time on Pinterest and that's how they're finding it. I don't know if they just got better style and like their suggestions are better. Who knows what they're doing? But if you are, blessed in that sense, like, comment down below so we can all just enjoy your blessings. It's so tacky to like talk about, I feel like, but do it, because the girlies need you. Now, I do get a lot of different colored things through Amazon, and sometimes they work out and they're so cute, and sometimes they are not that good. Like, the color does not last that long. Even if I use my favorite base coat and top coat, I don't get the best result. It'll still be good, but it's not going to be great. Do your research on the color. Now, this is a milky white. I am so excited to show you guys the finish of this milky white. So I'll get some clips added here. I'm doing a coat and a half, almost 2 coats. If you can concentrate the white more on the tips, that's what I really, really like. I like when it's light and milky. Now, I do want to discuss this. If you have been on the nail tube for a while, okay, and you have seen Simply Nailogical, she is the queen of nails. She taught us all. We love her. She makes a formula in a real nail polish, and it is a bright white. It's an actual white. It's not translucent. Like, it is top of the line. 2 very different vibes. If you're pale like me, if you're trying to wear white after Labor Day, something like that, you need like this milky white. You get your color on. Now, techniques, things you need to know. If this is your first time, clear your schedule. 3 hours, you need it. Just don't rush the process, okay? Professionals spend time learning these things, and they usually have a better looking light than this, but that's beside the point, okay? So, if it's your first time, take your time. Now, with that being said, when you get to the color, I suggest a full color because it's easy to do. One of the easier things to do, but also do thin coats. A gel can only cure what's under the light. So if you do it too thick, it's not going to cure right, and you're going to have all these problems with your wear and how it's wearing, how long it's lasting, that sort of thing. When it comes to the top coat, same thing. Thin. Stay in the lines. Do not mess it up. And then at the end, you wipe it off, and we're going to have this beautiful finish. But I really do appreciate you watching. I hope that this answered all of your questions. Like I said, it's a hard technique. It's a hard technique from a girly who loves to do nails. So if you have any more questions, please comment them down below. I would love to help you. I'd love to help you on your nail growth journey. I'm like super into the health and wellness of things, you know. And honestly, like, this is one of my only talents. So please let me share it with you, and I would be so delighted. Thank you so much. Also, if you're looking for a specific color, comment it down below. Or if you have found a good gel color, sometimes it can be hard to come by, so just state it, let us know, because the girlies got to know.